Ooh, it's cool. It's like a add-on front bumper. Even has cool little
Black Bison edition.
Oh, it's Wald.
Whoa.
Ah, third brake light on the bottom. That's cool. So as you can see, the whole car is pretty much blacked out. It's just this chrome. So Sean is gonna be chrome deleting it. Let's look a lot better.
Hovering over me and shit.
I'm trying to get a clip of you working. This type of working, not the one where you put your mouth on rolls and you're like, no, 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 no.
Oh, not the type of working where Haywood tries to hop on and do well.
Getting ready to do the door handles. Sean is taping around the edges to keep it safe and protected.
Drained in there from your freaking arm. You didn't clean this? Yeah, but you wear underwear that had an old stain on it. Did you wear underwear that has an old stain? Yeah.
Definitely completes the overall look of the car. Window trims and the door handles were all chrome, but now they're all satin black, so it matches so much better with the whole blackout theme of the car. Great thing about vinyl wrapping too is that since this is not permanent, if the client decides to remove it later on because they're going to sell the car, they can do so without causing any damage to the trims.